Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has some beautiful pork ribs here. I'm going to bake it. Yeah, you can steam it also. Up to you. Why I bake it? Because by baking it, it will actually have a bit of char on top of it, so extra flavor lah. Huh? So approximately maybe about 250 grams of pork ribs here, cut into smaller pieces. I've gotten the seller to cut it for me. Then we're going to marinate with some salted black bean, chili padi, fresh coriander roots, garlic, ginger. This spring onion is for garnishing later. Maybe I'll put some a bit into the marination also. Then we will need some oil, my cooking appa chicken stock powder for those who have it, some sugar, some salt, some white pepper, premium light soya sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, and some cornstarch. So this dish is very simple. Marinate and bake it. Yeah, of course, you can rinse it several times to wash away the excessive meat blood inside. Then I'm going to start giving it the seasoning. These are the fresh herbs I cut just now. Ooh. These are the fresh herbs. Maybe a bit of the spring onion also. Some light soy sauce. Some oyster sauce. Some Shaoxing wine. A little bit of fine sugar. A bit of fine salt. For those who have my cooking appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, or any unviet Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. This is white pepper. Give it some oil. And let's mix everything up nicely together. Not done yet. To make it more tender, I'm going to give it some starch powder. Yeah, this is cornstarch. So the oil together with the cornstarch will help to keep the moisture within the pork rib itself, so that it can be more tender. Yeah, at least it will be more tender inside. Right. Next thing, I'm going to put this over to the serving plate. Spread it out nicely so that every pieces can be evenly steamed or baked or grilled, up to you. All right, I'm going to use bake function upper fan. 180 degree, okay. We don't need 13 minutes. We need about maybe 13 minutes, 1-3 instead of 3-0. Yeah, 1-3. Actually, somewhere between 10 to 15 minutes is fine. So let's heat it up. Right, the oven has been preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's carefully put in the ribs. You can see I actually adjusted the tray outwards, yeah, closer to the top, so that it can have a little bit more char. So let's give it about 12-13 minutes. It should be fully cooked. Wow, it's very fragrant now. Just now I actually adjusted the duration, the timing to be about 16 minutes. Let me open it. Wow, super, super fragrant. Let me show you. Did you see the seasoning? It is still seasoning, oh, and the char. Oh, let me take it out for you. Right, so here's my baked ribs. Let's garnish it with some spring onion. And it is ready to be served. Right, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.